Hey guys, this is Darren with Creativity Unleashed, and today I wanted to show you the Ellis 1800 bandsaw. I'm really excited I got this brought into the Dominican Republic, probably the only one in the country. And I wanted to show you why I decided to get the Ellis 1800 when there's a whole bunch of bandsaws on the market. So let me just go over some of the things that I really think are amazing about the Ellis 1800. One of my favorite things is that by loosening down here, you can pivot the head 50 degrees in both directions. The other thing about the bandsaw is, of course, it has an automatic down feed speed, which is really convenient for being able to get the exact speed of cut you'd like. It has a fast vise, which makes it really quick to just put your piece in, lock it into place. I also got the roller supports with the precision adjustment, so you can set up stops, lock it into place, and if you need something at 6 inches and you need 100 of them, you put a whole bundle in there and cut them all the same. No need to measure anything once you got it set. And it slides out quite a bit further, so you can do that for multiple things. For me, it's really important that the saw is what miters and not the material. A lot of the cheaper saws, the material turns, and that means that the material is who knows where in your shop, or you're moving the saw constantly, and I didn't want that. So was being able to have perfectly flat, leveled roller supports the whole way. You can work with really long pieces, one hand be able to work with it, cut it to length, and this thing is high precision, cuts very precise, has a 1 horsepower motor on there, which has been perfectly powerful, plenty powerful. Being American made, it's very heavy. Everything about this saw is built to last a lifetime. It weighs about 650 pounds of metal, the saw by itself, which is impressive. You know, the Chinese don't normally like doing that. Of course, you can adjust this to wherever you want for your, depending on the material thickness you're cutting. You've got your shut off. And another thing that's really nice about it is it has a full 1-inch blade. And with a 1-inch blade, that means you have something that's more rigid and straighter coming down to make your cut. A lot of saws in the price point of the Ellis 1800 only have a 3/4 inch blade, which is just not going to get you the same precision. The other thing about it is this is a dry saw. You don't need any lubricant, and the blade is staying razor sharp. You could literally cut yourself super easy on those teeth after cutting lots of metal with it. So you don't have to worry about that. It keeps it cool, especially because it has an 11-foot blade. So it's 11 feet of blade on there. You're able to keep the blade cool and be able to cut the material very quickly. I was able to get blades made here in the country, and they're about $22 for the 11-foot blade. So that's how much they're running for me, the blades. A little different than from the Ellis company, but I don't know. The quality seems about the same. The saw runs on 120 volt electric, so basically any standard power supply. Another convenient thing it has is it has down here a removable chip tray, so you can just pick this out. It's an industrial saw that is able to cut industrial sized work pieces, but without the huge complexity or enormous costs of some of the saws that could cut this size range of material as easily as this thing can do it. So you're able to smack it up tight, lock her down, turn the motor on, start the down feed.